Hang on, I'm missing something here. Okay, so we got Xbox One, PS4, laptop, PC. So where's this thing then? Where the hell is this thing? Hello guys, welcome back to the returning subscribers, and if you're new, you know what to do. Please subscribe. Yes, right now, hit that subscribe button, then go ahead and make sure you hit that bell option on this video to stay updated on all my new uploads too. Now recently I did an unboxing and review on these real cheap budget Plextone gaming headphones, and yeah, they really wasn't half that bad. But today I got my hands on this cool solid looking GXT gaming headset. Yes, this headset is also low budget, with a price ranging between £15 to £20, that's around about 1988 to 26.51 in US dollars. With the price being as cheap as it is, are they any good? Well, let's find out. First of all, outside the box you can see the Trust GXT logos to the top and bottom corners, with this particular model being that of a GXT 310 headset. To the rear are some simple specifications, with some informative images and a list of minimum requirements, which I'll get to shortly. So let's go ahead just now and have a look what's inside the box. Inside you have some basic protective packaging, the standard Trust 2-year warranty with product support, a very simple informative gaming controller PC setup instructions, and finally, we have the GXT gaming headset itself. These GXT 310s really look the part, with the soft matte black plastic material, the colour coordinated red inner headband and inner ear cups. The driver units have soft ear pads, an adjustable condenser microphone to the left hand side of the headset, and these driver units are extendable, however they are not foldable. In addition to this, the inner headband, like I said, is in bright red. It has very good quality padding, and the 100cm headphone wire really feels robust, and this wire has a 3.5mm connector. So the minimum requirements to use this gaming headset on your PC and laptop, well, you must have Windows 10, 8, 7 or Vista. It must have a 3.5mm headphone connection and a 3.5mm microphone connection too. For newer laptops that have a combined 3.5mm headphone microphone connection, this gaming headset will work perfectly fine. It works great with all versions of the PS4 controllers, and as this is the minimum requirements for Microsoft Xbox One, it works fine too with the 2015 edition. So now moving these headphones to the right hand side, let's just have a closer look at the specifications just here. The audio sensitivity is 108 decibels. Frequency response is between 20 to 20,000 Hz. Driver size is 40mm and the impedance level is 36 ohms. The microphone, like I mentioned, is a condenser mic with a pickup pattern that's omnidirectional. What that means is whether the user speaks into the mic from the front, back, left or right side, the microphone will record the signals with all equal gain. Pushing these specifications to the side, we'll now put these gaming headphones to the test. And for this, once again, I'm going to use my little gaming helpers. Let's get to the Fortnite gaming mode.
Oh, that's really bold. I was like, how the heck do you build? Sneaky bush! Wee! People are gonna be like, why is there a moving like bush inside of the water? It's gonna drown. No! I'm gonna put my bush in a bush. Maybe bush Move slowly. Move slowly, you little bush. I think I put my I have no shotgun. Come at me, bros. You'll never find me. I'm a ninja boy. Somebody once told me the world was good. Come up here. Oh, just take me. Oh.
After also testing these gaming headphones myself and testing out the frequency response, these headphones came in with a low bass rating of 24.2 Hz, before the low bass fades out and starts to get distorted, which is pretty good. And I may add that the treble had a high rating of roughly 15,303 Hz, which isn't the 20,000 Hz which is described in the specifications, but then 15,000 Hz is an excellent result anyway. Testing out both drivers' stereo image, well, both drivers have a relative polarity between both drivers. Both drivers move in the same direction. In other words, the direction of sound is precise. For example, in a game, if a car was to pass from right to left, the sound will pan from the right headphone driver to both central drivers, and then pan to the left driver, smooth and with no audio lag. In addition, the sound coming towards you directly from behind or overhead, like a helicopter or a fighter jet, can be heard precisely too, as well as the direction of where a sniper, for instance, within a game has took his shot from. The quality of the deep bass with these headphone drivers is fantastic. Enclosed within a solid built headset, these headphones didn't rattle one bit during high volume explosions while gaming. So yeah, the sound quality is crystal clear and HD. The microphone, like I said before, picks up the audio all the way around the mic, and I may add that these headphones are indeed noise cancelling headphones. So yeah, these headphones help cut outside noise when you're playing a game. Since I've listed the positives with this gaming headset, I'm now going to go ahead and list a few negatives. So first of all, I really found these GXT's 310s really comfortable. They are good looking, but then after a few hours of wearing them, I did find that my ears became really sweaty. So that was my first negative point. My second negative point, well, it's the headphone wire itself. With it being only 100 centimeters, I did find it just that little bit short compared to other gaming headsets out there that reach 200, maybe 210 centimeters. But that's just about it with this gaming headset. I will add that this headset feels like you could really just throw these about any old house and they could never break. And the headphone wire itself, well, it really feels stable and sturdy. And in addition, I will say that this has never been tangled in the past couple of hours that I've been using them. And well, finally, this gaming headset is compatible with PS4, Xbox One and PC and laptops. Hang on a second. What's going on here? Hang on, I'm missing something here. Okay, so we got Xbox One, PS4, laptop, PC. So where's this thing then? Where the hell is this thing? What the? Where you going, man? Damn wire. So yeah, I failed to spot this in the beginning of the video. It must have fell out the packaging and just dropped to the bottom of the box. So yeah, this will be for your PC and laptops. You basically get your 3.5mm jack, plug it in, and then just plug the headphone and microphone 3.5mm jacks into the back or front of your laptop or PC. Thank God for that. How could I miss that? Seriously. So it's come to that time. Once again, what am I going to give these GXT 310s a rating out of 10? Drum rolls, please. But today, I think I'm going to give these gaming headphones a 9 out of 10.
Wow!
So for the price of round about £15 to £20, GXT gaming headphones really do hit the nail on the head when it comes to buying budget gaming headphones that really do the job and look the part. So guys, I'll leave a link for this particular gaming headset in the video description right down below, along with other suggested budget headsets which you may like. And as usual guys, please make sure you share, please smash that like button, subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell option to stay updated on all my new uploads. I'll see you guys over in the next video soon, and thanks for watching. Peace! Yes, this headset is also low budget with a price raging. I'm raging now. Ooh, don't get underneath my skin 'cause I'm raging.